everyday cooking, dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing beef shanks. Guys, these things taste just like oxtails. Looks like kind of like oxtails too, right? You see all the intramuscular fat right here? Guys, this is gonna be good. It's going in the slow cooker. I'm gonna take you over to the pan so we can heat this up. Be right back. All right, guys, so now we got our meat in the pan. We're browning it off. I forgot to hit record. We did salt the meat. Let me see this. I did salt the meat, right? And that's all I'm doing to it for right now. Because almost anything that I put in this pan, if I put onion powder, garlic powder, it's all gonna burn. So I don't want it to burn, so we're just gonna do salt for right now. All right, guys, these guys took on color. Let me just show you. These guys took on nice color. I'm gonna put them in this pan and put them on the side. Then I'm going in with our onions and onions and celery. A little more avocado oil. Some salt, not too much. Some black pepper. All right, guys, it's only been a couple of minutes, a minute or so, right? And then I'm going in with 2 cups of water. Then I'm gonna get a spatula, get all our good stuff off the bottom of this pan, right? Get our fond off the bottom of this pan. Look at that flavor, guys. All right, it's time to get the crock pot. All right, guys, so we had our crock pot now, right? Now we got a liner, helps with cleanup, right? Not another pot to clean up, that's for sure. And we're just gonna go in with our meat. Try and put the bigger pieces on the bottom. Doesn't really matter. All our juices. Then, guys, in with our pan drip mixture. We're gonna dump our carrots in. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water, because that water is really gonna be our gravy. Get the carrots down in there. All right, guys, I got this better than bouillon beef base, right? That's going in. Let's go with like 1 big huge teaspoon like this. Tablespoon, teaspoon. Then onion powder. So that's about 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon. And then a little bit of Lawry's. About a teaspoon. All right, let's just mix this around a little. All right, guys, so this is gonna go on high for 6 hours, and we're gonna have something that tastes just like oxtails, right? So we'll be back. All right, guys, so it's been more than 6 hours. It's in holding mode right now, so let's go in and see what we got. That's what we got, guys. Looks just like oxtails. Now, guys, I'm not gonna be making a plate of this tonight, right? This is for tomorrow, or maybe even Tuesday. But we sure made them today. And that's what our oxtails or our cow shin looks like. Guys, I'm using a spoon on purpose. It should just come apart. And it does, guys. Just falls apart right in your hand. Look at this. Just, you can eat this with a spoon. Look at how soft that is. Gonna give this a taste. A nice taste. Guys, this is nice. It's soft. It's delicious. Alright guys, so I'm gonna bring you guys back tomorrow when we plate this up. We already know it tastes good. Now it's just what we're gonna make with it. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day and we're heating this up. Guys, take a look at this. Doesn't this resemble oxtails? Tastes just like it too. Alright, let me get this in a plate and I'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, let me get this on the plate. As I'm going for one whole big piece here. See if we can get this sit down perfectly. Let's go in with a little bit of gravy on top. A little on the rice. Alright guys, so here we go. Take a look at our plate. It's like one big huge giant oxtail, don't it? Alright guys, let's go in with a little taste here. Guys, look, and this just falls apart. Even day 2, look at that. It just comes right apart. That looks like it might be just fat. Hold on. Just getting here, get some meat. Look at that, guys. It just falls apart. There you go. There you go, guys. Let's give this a taste. Guys, this is as close you're gonna get to oxtails. $5.99 a pound versus $12.99 a pound. And it tastes almost identical. You know what? Let's go down with a little bit of hot sauce. Right? Gotta have a little hot sauce on this. A little hot sauce on our greens. Guys, I'm gonna post a video for this greens too. Guys, please like and subscribe. Look at this. It's just falling apart. Guys, like, subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.